close your eyes. Put your hands in a comfortable position, resting on your knees or lap. Now take a full, deep breath in, filling the lungs. Then exhale slowly, letting all the tension go and feeling the sensations of the breath. Take another deep breath in, filling the rib cage and the back body. Now exhale slowly as you start to feel grounded. Take one more deep breath, hold it for a brief moment. Now exhale slowly. Let go of everything that's weighing your body and mind down, even if it's just for these few moments. You are safe and you are being taken care of. Focus on the quality of your breath. Don't control the breath, but simply relax into it and observe. Now bring your attention to the forehead. Release any tension you may be holding. Now bring your attention to the eyebrows and your third eye. Release all the tension. Now bring your attention to your eyes and soften them. Bring your attention to your jaw. Unclench your jaw and release any tension. Now relax the shoulders, bringing them away from the neck. Allow them to sit comfortably. Soften your elbows and hands. Now inhale deeply, feeling your body fill completely, your stomach rising. Now exhale long and slowly, releasing any stress you may be holding around the abdomen. Now bring your attention to the point where your body touches the earth. Feel the weight of your body. You are grounded. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the belly rise up and down. Sit in the sensations of your body. If you notice other thoughts entering the mind, you are currently in the present moment. Acknowledge them and then return your focus back to the breath. You may feel that you want to adjust your position or move the body. Try and resist this for as long as you can. Just feel the sensations. But if you need to move into a comfortable position and then bring your attention back to the breath. Your experience of today's meditation practice is exactly how it is supposed to be, and this will be the case every time you sit down to practice. So be kind to yourself. Detach from any judgments you may have. What you're experiencing is exactly what you need. As you inhale, imagine that you are drawing in everything that your body needs. And on the exhale, you're expelling everything your body no longer wants. Now set an intention for how you wish to experience the rest of your day. Now bring your attention back to the breath for your final minute of meditation.